Today I'm going to break down how I made a man named Bear Hunter hunt a bear. So first off, we have the background picture of just a field with some lighting in the background. Then we have our picture of wheat, which is a PNG, simple stuff. All I did was color that using a hue saturation to make it blend in with the rest of the wheat. Here we have the picture of the bear. I put a puppet warp on him. So as you can see, I had to make him lean back more. And then all I did was cut off part of his arm. Then I added some shading where the player Bear Hunter would go. And I have a puppet warp on him as well. So I had to lean him forward into the bear. Then I added some shading with just a black brush on him. Then I used a layer mask to paint back on the bear paw over top of Bear Hunter. Then I shaded around the back of the bear's elbow with a black brush, and then I did some more shading with a soft black brush on the back of the bear. Then I made a smart object out of the bear and the player, turned the fill to 0, and then put these effects on them. I put these effects on them to give an edge lighting from the left side gradually to the right. The left side is where the lightning is, so that's going to be my light source. Then I added in more wheat PNGs. I added one up close and gave it a Gaussian blur to make it look like it's close to the camera. Then I colored all of those to make them look like the same color as the background wheat. Then I put a selective color over the whole thing to make it pop. And then I used 3 different color lookups to get the coloring to where I wanted, which is more of a darker orangey teal look. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about sports design, subscribe to my channel and check out these videos.